Hey everyone, here's my video about packing for Egypt. I got a lot of questions from other women thinking about packing. Just wanted to show you quick, I just took this one carry-on bag that'll fit in the overhead on all international and domestic Egypt Air flights. I took a lot of these tunics, which I'll show you a couple here. These were by Chico's, makes a couple nice ones, and Prana. And you don't have to buy these brand new. I actually found these on eBay. That's my go-to source. And leggings pair well with these underneath. These are, again, below knee length tunics. Look for your size, look for your measurements, look at the fiber content. And these I just recently machine washed when I got home. And if I paired a little tank top underneath, I was able to stretch my usage, wore them for a couple of days along with these leggings. These are by Hue, which again held up pretty well. So this is part one of my packing video to Egypt.